Hey, I'm Ross, and you're watching Sky Management. On today's project, we have a gate here that has started to drag the ground a little bit. And so I wanted to find a way to lift it up without having to reset the posts. So what I'm going to try to do is tie a wire from the top corner on this side to the bottom corner on this side and kind of torque that gate back into shape. To do that, I'm going to set the wires with a couple of eye hooks, one on each corner. Of course, I have my wire, and if you're trying this, you're going to want to use a galvanized wire or some sort of coated wire because it's going to be outside. You don't want it to rust. I'm going to use a turnbuckle for tightening it. And then I've got some wire clamps and stuff, and I will link all of this stuff down below so you can find these all on Amazon. We'll try it out and see if it works. Let's give it a shot. When using a turnbuckle like this, you're going to want to start with it all the way extended. So unscrew both sides so they're all the way out. Then once you get your wire tied on there, you spin the middle part and it tightens both ends in together to put a lot of tension on that wire. I'm going to be using two different kinds of wire clamps. This is a crimp style one. You just put it on around the cable on both sides, and then I'm going to crimp it down with a pair of wire cutters. And then I'm also going to use a kind that you screw down, and I'm going to put it down a little farther down here, and it looks like this. You put it over the wire and you screw down the nuts to tighten it. I've got my wire set up on one side with my turnbuckle into, I've got a wire guard on here, and then the clamp, this is the crimped on clamp, and then I've screwed on my screw down clamp. I'm going to do the same setup on the other side without the turnbuckle. I think I'm only going to need the one turnbuckle. Got my wire secured on both ends, so I'm ready to start tightening my turnbuckle to see how much it will actually raise the gate. I'll be honest, this is my first time trying this, so I'm not sure how well it'll work. Let's find out. To turn this and pull it from both sides, you'll need to stick something in that back side to keep it from just spinning around. And then we'll twist the turnbuckle. I'll go by hand at first, and then I'll probably need a wrench once it gets a little tighter. Okay, wire's starting to get tight. Okay, I put about as much pressure on that as I'm comfortable with. See? Well, it's probably raised it up about an inch. So it works. It may be sort of a redneck fix, but seems to work, so we'll call it a win. Thanks for watching Sky Management. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.